The power of dividend investing. Building wealth by choosing the right stocks to invest in is crucial. If you're looking to build wealth over the long term, then dividend investing is a powerful strategy that can generate wealth. It's when investors focus on stocks that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders in the form of dividends. Think of it as earning a share of the company's profits for being a shareholder. It's like getting a paycheck from your investments. Now, why would someone choose dividend investing over other strategies? One word: stability. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of income. This is particularly attractive for long-term investors. Plus, they often belong to well-established companies with a history of stable earnings. One of the classic dividend giants is Johnson & Johnson, J&J. This healthcare giant has a remarkable track record of consistently increasing its dividend for over 50 years. Another notable mention is the Coca-Cola Company, a beverage industry titan with a history of reliable dividends. Now that we've got the basics down, how do you go about selecting a dividend stock? Here are some key factors to consider. First, examine the company's dividend yield. Look for a balance between a high yield and sustainability. Next, look at the company's dividend history. A company with a consistent history of paying and growing dividends is a good indicator of financial health. Next, examine the company's payout ratio. This is the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends. A lower payout ratio suggests that the company can sustain and potentially increase its dividends. Then, research the company's earnings growth. A company with a history of growing earnings is more likely to increase its dividends in the future. Stick to companies with a stable business model and a history of weathering economic downturns. So there you have it, the basics of dividend investing. It's a strategy that has stood the test of time, providing investors with a combination of income and potential for capital appreciation. Remember to do your due diligence, consult a professional, and consider these key factors when selecting your dividend stocks. Start investing today. Thanks for watching.